do it. Just do it. I mean, you're not going to regret it. Those first couple of weeks are a rough patch, but after that, you're golden. You know, just keep going, because it's worth it. I mean, I should have done this sooner, and I talked to my family, I talked to my friends, I talked to strangers. Do it. Stop putting it off. Stop putting your health off. It's not good for you. You know, you want to be able to live. We only have one life to live. Live it. Do the most that you can. People have a bucket list. I just have a life list.
It wasn't a simple journey. It was absolutely 100% worth it. The first several months were pretty difficult. It was totally changing my life. You change your eating habits entirely. You change your exercise. Your whole approach to being healthy is changed. The surgery doesn't just fix it. It doesn't make it an easy journey. In fact, in a lot of ways, it makes it a much more difficult journey, but it's absolutely worth it. And I couldn't have gotten this far without this tool.
So my sister had the surgery back in January, and she asked me the same thing. Was just, you know, do you regret it? Is there anything you would have done differently? I don't regret it for a second, and there's nothing I would have done differently. The whole process was great. It's a little scary. You look at it from the outside before you have it, and you wonder, am I making a mistake? Should I continue to try to diet and exercise? Should I try more drugs? And honestly, no. This is the best thing I've ever done in my life, other than having children. This is the best thing I've ever done. I don't regret it for a moment. I don't feel guilty for it. And that's the other thing I would maybe say. Don't feel guilty. Right after my surgery, I had a little bit of guilt. Like, why couldn't I have just diet and exercise? Why couldn't I have done more of this or less of this? And ultimately, for me, it came down to family genetics. I was doing that stuff my whole life. It felt like since childhood. And so just remind myself that I did the best I could. This was the answer to my prayers, and I don't regret it. Don't regret it, and I don't. I don't.
I would just encourage anybody to, I said, just do your research and understand that you don't have to be tied down by these issues. It's an epidemic in this nation, but we have ways around it now, and you can have freedom again.
Just no matter the stigma surrounding it, it's always good to go in and talk. Dr. Sanborn and Dr. Kronk are all very approachable and understanding. They're in it because they care about people and care about their health, and it can be scary, but scheduling a first consultation to come see them is definitely a step towards, you know, a better life, and a better life, you know, mentally and physically. At least that's the experience I've had.